Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can create page numbers to your InDesign documents and make adjustments. So let's get started. Following are the chapters I am going to use in this video. You can use the timestamps in the description to jump to your desired chapter. Let's open Adobe InDesign. For this example, I am going to make a standard size document with standard page setup. So let's get started with the chapter one by one. For this example, we must have at least 8 number of pages for this page number scheme to reflect on the document. Let's create at least 8 total pages. Now jump to the page number 1. To create a page number, we will have to first create a text box. Go to text tool, create a text box. Now go to type, insert special characters, markers, current page number. Now let's make adjustments. Go to type tool, make alignment as central, adjust the text box, or you can use this tool to auto adjust. This is the right time to look for font size, or you can select a typeface of your choice. I usually create font size for page numbers to 9. Place the page number where you like. Now to make this work on every page, we will have to move this page number marker to parent page. Now to do that, we will have to go to edit, then cut. Now let's edit parent page A and go to edit and then paste in place. Now as you can see that our page number marker has been placed on right side page. Now we can duplicate this page on the other side of the page. Now we just have to exit from master page. Now you can see that our page numbers has been applied. In the last chapter, we have created 8 total number of pages, and I have shown you the way where how you can create automatic page numberings to the pages. Let's add 4 additional pages to the document. For better visibility, I am going to enlarge pages thumbnail. Let's bring out the pages panel. Imagine you want to create different page number schemes for each of the selection. The way you do it is right click on the first page and go to number and section options. As we are going to as I am starting from the first page, then automatic numbering will work fine. For the style, we will be going to add ABCD as page number schemes. Click OK. You can see that all the pages below the first page are in the same ABCD page numbering scheme. Now go to first page of the second section, right click, numbering and section options. Now this time we will not be using automatic page numbering. Starting with page number, we will select start with page number add option, and one is already there. Select page numbering scheme and select anything. Select style, page numbering style as you like, and click OK. Now you can see that we have created 2 sections for the entire set of pages. Now for the third section, we will be selecting the first page of third section, right clicking, numbering and selection option. Now this time we will be using we will be using 1 2 3 as page number scheme. Now once again start with 1 and click OK. Now you can see that document has 3 page numbering schemes. That's it for this one. I'll see you in the next chapter. Hi everyone, in the last chapter we have learned how you can create sections in pages in your Adobe InDesign document. Imagine a scenario where you create an object that overlays your page number. Now to fix this, these are the steps that you need to follow. For this we will be going to edit our parent page. And we will be going to Windows and opening layer panel. Now in this condition, all the content is on layer 1. To move our page numbers on top of content, we need to create another layer. Let's rename this layer by double clicking to page numbers. Click OK. Now select layer on the bottom, select our page numbers, go to edit, cut. Now lock this layer 1 below and go to layer that says page number, go to edit and then paste in place. Make sure to lock the layer on top which has content of our page numbers and select the layer that is on bottom or below. Do you see this pen icon? This icon indicates that the layer we are working on is active. Now go to page and select our content, and you can see that our page numbers have been moved on top. This is it. This is how you can move your page number markers on top. That's it for this chapter. See you in the next. Hi everyone, in the last chapter we have learned how you can move your page number markers on top of content. Now there is a unique problem you might have faced or will be facing in your design career, that on the page number markers are usually the ones that are darker in colors. In some cases and scenario, there you have to work with darker backgrounds. If your page number markers are themselves will be in darker colors, so how you can make them visible on top of darker backgrounds. In this video I am going to show you how you can do that. For this we will have to make a duplicate of parent page A. Right click and duplicate parent page A. Double click to activate parent page B that we have just created. Go to layer panel, unlock the layer page number layer that which is on top. Select the markers, go to colors panel and make them white. Now don't forget to lock the page number layer and select bottom layer. Now only thing that remaining is go to page numbers, pages with darker backgrounds. Select all the pages or pages one by one, right click and apply parent to pages. Now we have just made modification to parent page B. Select parent page B and click OK. This way you can apply inverted colors page number markers on darker backgrounds. So this is how you can apply page numbers, make sections, bring them on top of content and color invert page number markers in your InDesign document. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.